Accounting is all about tracking money. Now, what do I mean by that? Simply, accounting is just like when you keep track of your spending every day. Got it? You can consider it as a way to make sure you know where your money is going and how much you have left. So, simply put, businesses just like your daily life also need to keep track of their money to know how much is it worth. And that's all what it's about. Now, let's look at some key elements of accounting. Number one, we have assets. Now, assets are the things you own that have value. In your daily life, your cash, your phone, or even your car are assets. If you need money, you could sell these things for cash. That's why they are valuable. And that's what makes them an asset. Next, we have liabilities. Now, these are your debts that you owe. Think of your credit card bill, or a loan you took out for school, or money borrowed from friends. You don't own this money, you owe it to somebody else. Just like businesses, people have liabilities to pay off. Got it? Now, after paying off everything you owe, what's left? That's your equity. In everyday life, this is what's left in your wallet after you have paid your rents, bills, and other debts. It's what belongs to you after handling your obligations. Moving on, we have revenue. That is the money you make. In your daily life, your salary or even selling old stuff at a garage sale is your revenue. For businesses, revenue is earned by selling products or services. Expenses. Expenses are money you spend to live or operate. Think about your grocery shopping or rent payments or even your daily coffee. These are your expenses. Just like businesses have to pay for things like rent, salaries, and supplies to keep them moving. Now, that's accounting in everyday life. You already understand the basics without even knowing it. Businesses just scale it up. Stay tuned for more accounting tips and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to keep learning. Take care.